Hi everybody, how is it going? I today you have in your email account the information about the license and password to sign up for this digital book. So you are going to write the information, the number of the license, which is this, and the password I've sent you. Then you are going to select the English language, accept the terms and conditions of use, and then we are going to click on the book and read online. Now, once we have in the book, we are going to select here, top left, the units number 4 wild word, and the first page, which is page 38. Then here, as you can see, you can listen to the audios. Okay, the second audio. Well, you have to do, you have to read this page and listen to the audios and do the activities number 1 and number 2, right? Bye bye everybody.